Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you guys are new, if you're just stopping by, hi, hola, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes here on YouTube. Welcome to Makeup Monday, you guys. So today I wanted to recreate the look that I was wearing in my last tutorial. If you guys, or in my last video, if you guys missed that video, I did the best or my favorite drugstore affordable setting powders. I will have a link up here so you guys can watch that. Also, make sure you check out the description because I've been linking videos so you guys can go back and watch if you like affordable and related videos like this. So today's Makeup Monday, I switched it up for you guys. I know that some of you love just the eye tutorials and some of you love a full face beat. So I am giving you that today. I am giving you a full face beat. I'm going to show you guys all the products that I used today to achieve this all matte makeup look. Like the eyes are totally matte. There's no shimmer. There's no sparkle. We have a little bit of highlight. Very, very natural. And the rest of the face is using all matte products. So this is perfect for all my oily skin girls out there. If you have issues with your face being a little too oily, I know the struggle, girl. I'm right there with you. I'm going to show you guys how to keep your face just really matte and make it look super nice, super soft, and yeah, it's going to stay put all day. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Grab your coffee. I've already finished mine today. I made it so good. I literally finished it all. So enjoy your coffee, enjoy your wine, enjoy your water or whatever it is you have. Grab your palettes, grab your brushes, and let's go ahead and start with this all matte affordable makeup tutorial. So I'm actually going to start with the eyes this time just because I am going to go in with a wing eyeliner. And usually when I do a wing eyeliner, I like to clean up the sides. And I find that once I have like all my makeup done, especially like my foundation and I've set and done everything, it can get a little harder to clean up that area. So we are switching it up a little bit. I am using a shadow primer. Surprise, surprise, like I never use eyeshadow primers, but I really wanted to use a super light base because I really want these purples to pop. So this is by the brand Sorme, and it's just called Under Shadow. I'm also applying a little bit underneath the eyes. Oh my god, I look like a raccoon or something. I look super odd, so don't make fun of me. Okay, so I am using quite a bit of palettes. I'm actually using 3 different palettes. As always, don't feel obligated to use the same palettes as I am. Just kind of see what colors I'm using and then go from there. So brushes are ready. Veramona color switch is ready. I got my coffee ready. Let's get to it. We're going to start off with the deepest shade first. I personally like to work with deeper colors first and then work my way up. So I am going to go in with my first palette. This is the Morphe Babe or the Morphe Boss Mood 35M palette. This is such a stunning eyeshadow palette, you guys. Really, really pretty. So I'm going to take this dark purple. It's a very, very deep plum. So if you guys have any colors like this, go ahead and grab that. We're going to start off with a smaller brush. This is the ColourPop E19. And this one is going to go right here. This almost looks black, but I promise you it's really, really purple. Come on, get it together, camera. Now that we have that semi-blended, we are going to move on to our second palette. I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I'm pretty sure you guys can maybe use just this one palette to create this look, but I'm going to take the shade Not My Journey, which is this really, really pretty, like a vibrant purple. I definitely need to order me new brushes. Look at my Morphe brushes. They're so beat up because I use them all the time. So this is the M514. Oh my gosh, my hands keep getting painted black and I don't know where this shadow is coming from. But look, there's like black little marks everywhere. I did drop an eyeshadow palette yesterday and it broke. But oh my gosh, how is there like residue still? I cleaned my station so well. I mean, obviously not. This one is just going to be to bring a little more of a vibrant purple into the crease. From that Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to take the shade Certified, which is the matte off-white color. And I am going to switch to a different brush. This is just a fluffy brush with no product in it. It's just stained from the last time I did this look. I'm just going to diffuse this outwards. That way when we create the wing, it kind of flows with the wing eyeliner. Unless you don't want to do a wing, then you can just do whatever shape you want, I guess. But I am going to add a wing. I just felt like it looked really pretty with that wing. So I did this off camera because I wasn't sure if I wanted to use it, but I did use a little bit of Therapy Sesh once I blended out Not My Journey, just to create a more, I don't know, smoked out look, I guess. I'm going to jump into the waterline really quick. I'm going to take this LA Girl Neon lip liner, but I use it as an eyeliner. This is in the shade Blaze, and it's like a mix in between a pink and a purple. Going back into the palette, I am taking the deepest purple that we first used. I'm going to clean off my brush. I'm going to go in with Not My Journey. I'm going to go back with my little eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease as I normally do. For the very last color that I'm going to use, I'm taking another Morphe palette. This is the ICY 35i ICY Fantasy palette, and I'm going to take this super pretty lilac eyeshadow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop that into the inner corner. And as you can see, I have already applied all my shades to my outer corner, you guys. Nothing new. I just used the same shades that I used in the crease onto the outer corner. I am going to go ahead and throw in a wing eyeliner using this waterproof liquid eyeliner by Cara Beauty. Let's move on to the face really quick. So since this is an all matte makeup tutorial, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Matte and Poreless Putty Primer. This one is so good if you guys are super oily and suffer from large pores, which most of you probably do. If you are oily skin, you guys know that pores just tend to appear bigger on us. So I am going to use a brush like this. This is by Japanese. It just says 718. I got this one off of, or no, I bought it at TJ Maxx like last year. For my foundation, I'm going to take an oldie but a goodie. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Mate Foundation. This one is really good, and I am in the shade Sand Beige M70. I honestly haven't used this foundation in quite some time, and I decided to play with it today because it does have a beautiful matte finish, but it's not over drying, which is perfect. I have a little bit of texture going on this side of my face. I started using this new skincare products, and I don't think my skin likes them because I get little bumps all over, which sucks because I was really excited, but my skin is just so sensitive to like new products. Foundation is down. I'm going to go in with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer. This is in the shade Linen. This one also hides dark circles, and it says that it claims to control shine up to 24 hours. I really don't remember how good this concealer is. I haven't used it in a while either. I'm telling you, you guys, I get stuck with like one foundation that I find, and then like I just want to keep using it over and over again. But we're going to try this out. P.S. This is the e.l.f. sponge. This was part of their like retro collection. Oh my gosh, ever since I used this sponge, I have not been able to put it down. It is so, so good. That looks pretty good. Now for my setting powder, I am going to use this one by Catrice. This is the HD Baking and Setting Loose Powder. It is mattifying, water resistant. This powder is so finely milled, which I love that because it really does smooth out the skin. But then it literally gets everywhere. It's all over my legs. For my bronzer, I am going to take this one by Hard Candy. I put this one away, totally forgot that I had it. And then when I was looking for my makeup yesterday, I was like, oh my gosh, I totally forgot I had this bronzer. I did do a full face testing out Hard Candy makeup, and I definitely found some hidden gems. So if you guys want to watch that video, you can just click up here and watch that. I mean, Hard Candy is super, super affordable. Definitely my favorite part from them is that they have really cute packaging. Like, the packaging is just super, super adorable. That was a brand that I first started with back in the day when I first started doing makeup. For my blush, obviously we're going with a matte blush. This is the Blush Bomb Coral Kaboom by Carity Cosmetics. I really wanted to switch it up for you guys this time because I feel like I always use the same products when it comes to like drugstore or affordable, and this one is a pretty affordable palette. It comes with a blush topper, and a highlighter, but I'm just gonna dig into the shade Gorgeous. I should have gone with more of a mauve blush because my eyes are mauve. Let me see if I have a mauve blush. I found this one. This one is also by Carity, but this one is the Burgundy Blast. So I'm gonna take Yas, which is the Plum Burgundy. I don't want to apply too much because this is like a hot, hot pink. I'm like almost afraid to apply it. But I'm going to apply that to the apples of the cheeks. Oh my gosh, you can see all my texture. Do you guys see that right here? Or is it just me? For my highlighter, obviously there's no highlighters that are matte. I mean, there is, the Laura Mercier has one, but we're keeping it affordable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a baked bronzer so it's not so like bright. I'm going to use the J.Cat Beauty Golden Soleil Bronze in the shade Coconut Island. This one is super pretty, and because it is baked, it's a little more matte than like shiny and shimmery, if that makes sense. And then for my lashes, I am going to take my own lashes. This is my collab with Lash Kitty. If you guys didn't know, I've had this collab for probably 2 years now. I'm going to take the Lash Style Workflow. These are super pretty. It's these right here. These are my absolute favorite. And then this is Drama Queen. This is for a more dramatic look. But I'm going to take Workflow, so we're going to pop on some lashes. So for the lips, I want to keep it cool tone since we have a very cool tone matte look. I'm going to take these two. First, I'm going to line my lips using the Italia lip liner. This is in the shade Taupe. And then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Full Blown Fawn matte lipstick, which is also like a cool tone shade. And of course, we have to seal everything. So I'm going to take this Catrice Matte Finish Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Fixing Spray. And here is the final look. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this purple blown out smoky eye. It is just absolutely gorgeous, perfect for the summertime, also perfect for the fall time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this full face, all matte, affordable makeup tutorial. If you guys want to see more full face tutorials on Makeup Mondays, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. I think I'm going to switch it where one Makeup Monday will do a full face, the other one will be just eyes, because these videos are very time consuming. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Please share your pictures if you do recreate this look. I love posting you guys, showing you guys off on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is right down there in the description box. So again, thank you for joining me today for Makeup Monday. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.